Among the other key issues on the minds of Americans, it's abortion. Some states gave voters a chance to decide on abortion-related ballot measures in this midterm. Sloan Glass is with us here in studio this morning to break down. Michigan, one of those states where abortion was on the ballot big time.
And four other states, Marnie, it wasn't just candidate choices that voters decided on Tuesday. Voters in 5 separate states considering abortion-related ballot measures. That's the most ever on record. The debate on abortion policy taking urgency after the reversal of Roe v. Wade. Abortion rights votes have been considered a Democratic turnout machine. Now we will see how true that assumption was as numbers continue to come in. Under a 2019 law, the right to an abortion is already legal in Vermont, and Vermont voters overwhelmingly passed a ballot measure to amend the state's constitution to explicitly protect abortion rights, making certain abortion will remain legal in the state regardless of which party controls it. That amendment was largely expected to pass. A similar ballot measure in California protecting abortion and contraception rights in the state constitution also passed. An interesting ballot initiative to watch has been in Michigan, where voters in the battleground state where Democrat Gretchen Whitmer won also voted in a ballot initiative making abortion a right protected by the state's constitution. And just in this hour in Kentucky, a state that enacted a trigger law following the Supreme Court's ruling, voters rejected a ballot measured at aiming at denying any constitutional protections for abortions, which really highlights a gap between voter sentiment and the state's GOP-dominated legislature. And Montana is still too close to call. Voters in Montana are deciding on the Born Alive law, declaring that an embryo or fetus is a legal person with a right to medical care. If that passes, that law will impose criminal charges on healthcare providers in Montana who fail to take all responsible actions to save the life of the baby after birth. Now, depending on how the abortion ballot measures go, it's a good indicator of whether abortion rights initiatives will be on the ballot in Ohio, Florida, Arizona, Colorado, and Missouri in the next election in 2024.
It's more than just this midterm, it's the future. All right, Sloan, thank you.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.